Hi everyone, my name is Tony. I'm opening this channel, Mastering Pick 3. And this is for members from, information for members from Lottodds. Of course, I'm a member too. And I'm back to Lottodds because I didn't want to play in the lottery down the street, you know. So anyway, we have a new place that we can play just like five dimes, and it's really nice, better than five dimes, 10 times. Betany Sports. The link is right there. You go right to the sign up page, and I'm gonna show to you how to sign up. All right, give me a little time to you. Okay guys, how I'm gonna show to you my winnings on this new website. So you're gonna see this is exactly the same as five dime, but a better, you know, much better. And here is the winnings already. So let's go. We start from here, okay? And let's see here, going up. Oops, and go. Yeah, going up. See, that's my winnings. You can stop the video if you wanna, and check it out better. But there we go. Just few numbers. So I'm playing and make some money there, right? I play in the exactly just few minutes before close because I have some doubts about the game. I think we are playing against a computer, you know, so it's very difficult. So I don't want to give it time to them to study the game and see which numbers is playing less, I guess, you know. Anyway, now I'm gonna show to you how to sign up in the website, okay? Okay, here we go. So I copy the link and I paste in here, right? And let's see here. So you open straight away the websites, and if you're not a member, you're gonna sign up in here, okay? Right here, you're gonna click on this one, not a member yet, and it's gonna be a page where you fill it up, everything in there, all your information, and then you're done. So you just deposit the money is the next step, and it starts playing very quickly. 10 minutes you're done, or 5 minutes you're done. Now I'm gonna go back there and show to you the account number. You put your ID number and your password, and submit, and then you are gonna go to Lotto, and there we go. Oh, the same thing as five dimes, but better, guys, better. I'm gonna show you. So usually I use the classic view that show all the states, and you can choose your states. Let's say Georgia, and then usually I use box. Even if I play triplo, I'm gonna explain why. Check it out. 111, right? And then I'm gonna play another number that is double, 665. All right, and I'm gonna play, I call singles because it's different numbers, so 5 4 5 6, right? And then I go, is boxed or red, and I go and I submit. Oh, I have to choose the draw. Sorry, I forgot about that. Let's see here. That's off, so let's choose one. I think right now everything is off, you know. So let's make up that we are choosing Georgia for the next day. So I'm gonna say submit, yes, and then, oh, I guess I have to do the video another day, you know. That somewhere is open to play because everything is off now. Off, 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 off. Yeah, everything is off. So, but anyway, you just go ahead and choose this stage and play, and this is gonna divide, you know. For example, do you want, even if you put in box the triplo, it's gonna pay 225, you know, for the 25 cents. And for the other numbers is 37.50 for the single numbers 456, and for the double is gonna be 665, is $75 for 25 cents, exactly the same. Guys, please subscribe to the channel and leave a positive in there for me. Okay, it's my first video. Okay, I'm gonna show more other ways using lotto odds to make some money. All right, have a blessed day. Bye bye.